Hey, this is Elenice, and it is spring. It is April 13th, I think. Nope, maybe it's April 12th. But I am out here preparing some new beds, and I thought you might be interested. I'm going to use a method called Hugelkultur, and that's where you start by layering in sticks. Then I add leaves. Then I add my soilless mix. Then I plant my plants. And so what this does for you is it gives you nutrients because the sticks, the leaves, and I'm going to add some kitchen waste will begin to decompose and give nutrients to the plants. And then I will plant my plants. So this is what it looks like inside the containers. And these are some really cool little containers I got at Aldi's for $9.99. They're about 3 or 4 gallons. So from here, you just add leaves or grass scraps. You know, it doesn't matter, whatever you have. You just put it in there. You know, you don't have to be very particular about it. I do it till it's probably about two-thirds full. You know, it's a great time this time of year to get free leaves from your neighbors because they're cleaning up their yards. And so I get mine from my neighbors that I know don't use pesticides on their lawn. So that's what the beds look like after I add the leaves. Next, I'm going to add just a little bit of kitchen scraps. So this is what it looks like with the kitchen scraps. It's a little cabbage, it's some moldy wilted lettuce, and I'm going to turn it over a little bit, and then I'm going to add the soil. And this is the completed bed. So again, I started with sticks, added leaves, or you can use grass clippings, anything greenish brown, and then I finished with my raised bed mix. And so this mix is 1 part compost, 1 part topsoil, 1/2 part vermiculite, and 1/2 part perlite. Then when I put the plants in, right before I put them in, I'm going to put in a tablespoon or 2 of nutrients. You know, sometimes I may use a dry mix, or sometimes I may use a little fish emulsion around the outside so that it's there when the roots get bigger.